Warren Buffett, a renowned investor who has achieved remarkable success, has imparted invaluable insights throughout his illustrious career. His guidance holds immense transformative potential for young individuals aspiring to attain financial independence. But before we proceed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell, ensuring you never miss a valuable piece of knowledge. Now, let's delve into some fundamental principles that can pave the way toward wealth. One fundamental principle is to begin at the earliest opportunity. The essence lies in initiating the process at a young age, akin to constructing a small snowball on the top of an extensive hill. By commencing early and rolling the snowball downhill, we exploit the nature of compound interest, which functions like a sticky mass of snow. The crucial aspect is to have a long hill, achievable by commencing at a tender age or extending our lifespan significantly. A similar approach would be employed if one were venturing into the investment world today with $10,000. The focus would be starting with companies labeled A's and examining smaller companies. This strategy is driven by the fact that working with smaller sums increases the chances of uncovering overlooked opportunities within this particular arena. The process of investing today differs from the scenario in 1951, where opportunities seem to leap out at you from the pages. However, the fundamental approach remains unchanged. One must invest in businesses. Stocks represent fractional ownership in these businesses. The key is acquiring them at attractive prices. The objective is to invest in good companies. This timeless advice will hold even 100 years from now. Ultimately, that is the essence of investing, buying into solid businesses at favorable prices. Discover the principles of accounting. If you are interested in business, Warren Buffett recommends acquiring a solid understanding of accounting, ideally by your early 20s. Accounting serves as the language of business, although it is essential to recognize its limitations and be aware of all its aspects. Additionally, gaining practical experience by working part-time in various companies can be highly beneficial. There is nothing quite like first-hand exposure to the operations of different businesses to develop your judgment and insights about them. Understanding the dynamics of competitiveness and why specific industries are more competitive than others will further enhance your knowledge. Therefore, Buffett advises extensive reading to broaden your understanding of this domain. Research numerous stocks but only invest in a select few. When working with a small amount of money, the universe of potential investment ideas expands significantly compared to the ideas that can be pursued. As mentioned earlier, the period from 1956 to 1969 was considered the best, but the most successful period was from the end of 1950 through the following 10 years. During this time, returns averaged approximately 50% annually, surpassing the Dow by around 37 points annually. It should be noted that the success was achieved while operating with a minimal amount of capital. The focus was on thoroughly examining numerous business volumes to identify a few companies that offered exceptional value and could accommodate investments of $10,000 or $15,000. Meager prices characterized these opportunities. Every business was reviewed, although some received less intense scrutiny. However, this method could be more practical when dealing with large sums of money in the tens or hundreds of millions. Therefore, if you are working with a smaller amount of money and possess a genuine interest in the business, along with a willingness to put in the necessary work, it is highly likely that you will discover promising opportunities that offer significantly higher returns compared to what can be achieved with substantial capital. Be mindful of college debt. The value of business school varies significantly from person to person and is not primarily determined by the institution itself. The benefits one derives from advanced education can vary greatly. Every individual doesn't need to attend college, as numerous jobs are available with salaries ranging from around $70,000 to $80,000 per year that do not require a college degree. Whether or not college is suitable depends on one's interests and goals in life. Having a clear purpose and reason for pursuing higher education is crucial. Discover your passion. Take the time to understand yourself and identify what truly excites you. Reflect on your natural talents, hobbies, and interests. Buffett emphasizes that when you engage in activities you're passionate about, it doesn't feel like work, and your chances of success increases significantly. Another critical aspect Buffett highlights is aligning your passion with your career choices. He advises young individuals to pursue work they genuinely enjoy and find meaningful. According to Buffett, when you're passionate about your work, you'll be more motivated, committed, and likely to excel in your chosen field. Seize the opportunities you receive wholeheartedly. The biggest mistakes are often the ones that go unnoticed. The mistakes of omission rather than commission. There has never been a significant loss of money on any single investment. However, the opportunities that were known but yet to be pursued have cost dearly. Potential profits of up to $10 billion have been missed on investments with enough knowledge, but action still needs to be taken. Not buying Microsoft in the past cannot be considered a missed opportunity, because there wasn't enough knowledge to make that decision. However, there have been other investments where the necessary understanding must be improved to make an informed choice. Those opportunities were either not pursued at all or only a small scale for various reasons. Instead of taking action, there was hesitation and a failure to seize the moment when bold steps should have been taken. Unfortunately, these missed opportunities do not leave a visible trace. There is no record of the potential profits that slipped away, but significant ones were ignored. Prioritize the care of your most valuable asset. Warren Buffett once said, "Imagine taking a person who has just graduated from college, assuming they are in their standard shape and condition, and offering to pay them $50,000 for 10% of all their earnings for the rest of their lives. If I'm willing to pay them $50,000 for a 10% stake, their total value would be $500,000, even if they don't have a single dime in their pocket, as long as they possess a sound mind and a healthy body." Reflecting almost 70 years ago, when I was in high school, which is nearly a third of the time our country has been around, I can recall having two main interests, girls and cars. Well, I wasn't doing well with girls, so let's focus on cars. After we finish this conversation, I will grant each of you the opportunity to choose any car you desire. Picture it, a vehicle of your choice, in any color you prefer, wrapped up with a bow and delivered to your doorstep tomorrow. But here's the catch. That will be the only car you will ever have in your entire lifetime. Given the circumstance, knowing that you will only have one car you genuinely love, how would you treat it? The answer is simple. You would take care of it like nothing else. You would maintain it meticulously, ensuring its longevity and pristine condition. Now let me suggest something to you. In reality, you won't only get one car in your lifetime, but you will always have one body and one mind. That's all you will ever possess. And just like that cherished car, your body and mind feel incredible. But here's the crucial point. They must last you a lifetime. Therefore, taking care of your body and mind becomes paramount, like you would take care of that one car. Nurture them, prioritize their well-being, and make choices contributing to their long-term health and vitality. Remember, you won't have the luxury of exchanging or upgrading them. This is the only body and mind you will ever have, and they hold the potential to carry you through a lifetime of experiences and achievements. Surround yourself with successful individuals. The key to success, particularly in your personal life, lies in making one of the most important decisions you'll ever make: choosing your spouse. The person you decide to share your life with is of utmost significance. It is crucial to surround yourself with individuals who are better than you. The direction in which you move in life will be influenced by the people you associate with. Fortunately, I have been extremely fortunate in this regard. I have been blessed with teachers, friends, and a spouse who are all better individuals than I am. I had the wisdom to learn from these people, realizing that life becomes more fulfilling when you strive to be a better person yourself. It took some time. I understood the value of seeking out individuals who serve as examples and role models rather than trying to change someone to fit a specific mold. This principle applies to choosing a life partner and selecting business partners or anyone you associate with closely. Look for people who inspire you and embody qualities and values you admire. Surround yourself with individuals who will uplift and guide you, propelling you towards a better path in life. They will contribute to your growth and success in ways you may find hard to believe. Leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts and experiences with wealth creation. Until next time.